तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्याभोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्याबन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्यापरा देवता विद्याराजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्याविहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम्। अद्यतनी कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 84-चतुश्शततमी 484th क्लास टुडे। जानन्ति भवन्तः गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः षोडशतमः श्लोकः पठितः आसीत्। अनन्तरं 17 श्लोकः अपि प्रारब्धः आसीत्। परन्तु 17 पठनं सञ्जातं, पदच्छेदः सञ्जातः, पदपरिचयः सञ्जातः। आकाङ्क्षाम् इदानीं कुर्मः। आकाङ्क्षा न पूर्णतया गतकक्षायां पठिता आसीत्, मध्ये तत्र स्थगिता। पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 17+100 पृष्ठसङ्ख्या। वस्तुतः वयं नैव संऋणद्धि इति तत्र स्थगितवन्तः। Yeah, we can start here. Half of the Akanksha was done in the previous class. Tan ka naiva samrunaddi. What does not hinder, block, stop them?
Tan Lakshmi hi naiva samrunaddi.
Lakshmi, wealth, goddess of wealth, does not hinder them, stop them, block them. Tan Lakshmi hi katham iva naiva samrunaddi. How does Lakshmi or wealth does not deter them or stop them?
Tan Lakshmi trunam iva naiva samrunaddi.
Lakshmi, wealth, does not stop them like trunam, like a blade of grass. Tan Lakshmi trunam iva naiva samrunaddi. It cannot stop them. Just like, we generally say blade of glass is often said when anything is highly negligible, because it is the most abundantly available thing on the planet Earth. Trunam sarvatra labhyate kalu. Trunaprayam, we say trunaprayam means what is the most cared for thing is the grass, which is abundantly available everywhere. So Lakshmi, wealth cannot stop them like the trivial thing like the grass. Next, Kidrusham trunamiva naiva samrunaddi. Srinivas. Like what? Like what grass does it not stop?
Laghu trunamiva naiva samrunaddi.
Trunam itself is a grass, but laghu trunam, like a small blade of grass, you can say. Lakshmi, wealth or fortune cannot stop these people like a small blade of grass. Na bhavati, does not become. Kim na bhavati, what does not become?
Varanam na bhavati.
Check. Varanam means check, nivaranam. Does not become a check for these learned people. And also some upamana is coming. Kaha varanam na bhavati, what does not become the check or the deterrent?
Visatantuhu varanam na bhavati.
Visatantuhu varanam na bhavati. Visatantuhu, the stalk of the lotus. Lotus stalk, fiber, tantu literally means tantu. The lotus fiber cannot become the deterrent, the hindrance to what that is coming. Visatantuhu kesham varanam na bhavati. To whom does not the fiber, lotus fiber become, whom does not it become the deterrent or the stoppage?
Visatantuhu varananam varanam na bhavati.
controller is not there. Rodakam, deterrent is better. Yeah. Varananam visatantuhu varananam gajanam varanam na bhavati. Varanam nama atra nivaranam. Nirodha. So the visatantu lotus fiber cannot become the controller, stopper, deterrent for the elephants. You know, it is like trying to arrest the movement of elephants by means of ropes made of visatantu. Lotus stalk, lotus fiber and a rope made with lotus fiber. If you try to arrest the movement of an elephant, it is highly impossible. Just like that, these learned people, adhigata paramarthan, so Lakshmi cannot stop them. Visatantuhu kesham varanam na bhavati, over. Visatantuhu kidrushanam varanam na bhavati. To what type of people, to what type the lotus stalk does not become the deterrent of the to the elephants. To what type of elephants? To what type of elephant does the lotus fiber not become the deterrent? So very big compound word. Visatantuhu is simple. Abhinava madalekha shyama gandasthalanam varananam varanam nivaranam nirodhaka na bhavati. The lotus fiber cannot become the check to such elephants whose temples have been blackened by the ichor flowing from their temples. Abhinava mada, nutana mada, lekha, pankti bihi. You know, the mighty elephants are supposed to ooze out some kind of rut, R-U-T, rut, from their temple region. So, such powerful, they are supposed to be very powerful elephants, which rut, so which give out the mada. So, Abhinava, Nutana, Mada Lekha, Mada, Pankti Bihi, Shyama, Shyama Gandasthalanam, Shyamani Gandasthalani. So, the Gandasthala, you know, the Gandasthala is this temple area, which has been blackened by the fresh onset of ichor or rut of the elephants. To such elephants, Visatantu cannot become a stoppage. Sorry. Tadrushanam varananam gajanam varanam nivaranam na bhavati Visatantu iti. Anvayartham syamas.
Adhigata paramarthan panditan ma avamamstha Lakshmi lahu trunam iva tan na eva samrunati Visatantuhu abhinava madalekha shyama gandasthalanam varananam varanam abhavati.
Adhigata, avagata, paramarthan, paramanchatan arthan. People who have understood the highest truth in life, Panditan, the learned, ma avamamstha, do not insult. Lakshmi, wealth, lagu trunamiva, like a blade of small blade of grass. Tan, panditan, tan means tadrishan, adhigata paramarthan panditan, such highly learned people, na eva naiva samrunaddi. Wealth cannot stop reaching such people. Visatantuhu, the example is given here, Visatantuhu, lotus fiber, Abhinava madaleka shyama gandasthalanam varananam varanam na bhavati. A lotus fiber cannot become the controller, the deterrent to the mighty elephants whose temples have been blackened by the oozing of the rut. Padartha Srinivas. Adhigata paramarthan.
Jnata tattva arthan.
Yeah, Vignata Tattva Arthan. Those who have known the ultimate truth, Paramartha. Panditan.
Sudhiyaha.
Sudhiyaha. Sudhihi, Sudhiyau, Sudhiyaha, Panditaha. Vidvamsaha. Athava Vidvamsa, the scholars, learned people. Ma avamamsthaha.
Na
Tiraskuru, do not insult. Lakshmihi,
Sampatti.
Sampatti. Laghu,
Tucham.
Tucham. Trunamiva,
Ghasa iva.
Ghasa eva. Like brass. Tan Panditan. Those scholars. Na eva, naiva. Naiva. What he has given, he has made sandhi. Here it is not sandhi made. Samrunaddi. Shaknoti bhadati. So it cannot deter or stop. Samrodhum shaknoti athava badhati. Bisatantuhu mrunala sutram, the lotus fiber. Abhinava madaleka shama gandasthalanam. 3 words.
Nutanataya dana pamukya
Malina.
kapolana.
So Abhinava means Nutanataya, freshly. Madalekha, Dana Panktya, Mada Lekha. Lekha Shabda is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Madasya Lekha, Madalekha, Thaya Madalekaya, Dana Panktya, Shyama Malina, Krishni, Krutani, Gandasthalanam, Kapolanam. So those temples of such elephants which have been blackened by this rut. Then Varananam.
Gajanam.
Varana Shabda, Gaja Shabda. Varanam.
Rodhakaha.
Rodhakam, Bandhanam also. Varanam, Bandhanam. Na bhavati. Na bhavati. So control or control is okay, but deterrent is better, I think. Deterrent. Varanam means deterrent. Bhavartham Srinivas.
Hey Rajan, Sampattim Truna Sadrusham
Manyamana
Ye Vidvamsaha Santi Tam Vashikartum Dhanadivihi Prayatnona Kartavyaha.
Okay. So here is an advice by Bhartruhari. Bhartruhari Mahakavina Atra Kachana Upadeshaha Ragnam Uddisha Ragnam Vishaye Tatra Pratipaditaha Asti. He Rajan, he Rajanaha Sampattim Trunasadrusham Manyamanaha. The learned people who consider the wealth as Truna Sadrusham. For the learned, wealth is just like Truna. Like you have read in Shankara's Moodha Jaihi Dhanagama Trushnam Manasi Kuru Vitrushnam itself. And there are so many we have where money is being looked down in respect to learning and other things. So Sampattim Truna Sadrusham Manyamanaha Ye Vidvam, those scholars who consider this wealth simply as grass, a blade of grass, Santi, those who are there, Tan, to such people, Vashikartum, to control them, to check them, Dhanadibihi, how to check them? By means of Dhana Adibihi, Dhana Lobhenava, Prayatnaha na Kartavya. So, O king, don't make any effort to capture or to attract the most learned people by way of offering wealth and land and dhanadi means other things. Because Yatohi
Ye Madonmattaha
Gajaha Santi.
Tesham Bandhanam Komalena Mrunala Sutrena Kartum Naiva Shakyate.
Because the example given is here, He Madonmattaha Gajaha Santi. Varanaha Santi, Tatra Gajaha Santi. Those elephants which are intoxicated, elephants which are highly intoxicated because of their temples being blackened by the issue of fresh rut. Gajaha Santi. Tesham Bandhanam, to arrest them. Bandhanam means arresting them, such mighty elephants. Komalena Mrunala Sutrena. If somebody tries to arrest the movement of the mighty elephants by means of a rope made of tender lotus fiber. Imagine the contrasting example. lotus fiber trying to arrest the movement of a mighty elephant. Similarly, तृणप्रायं तत्र लक्ष्मीः लक्ष्म्या तादृश्या लक्ष्म्या तत्र एतान् पंडितान् वशीकर्तुं नैव शक्यते. तेषां बन्धनं कोमलेन कर्तुं नैव शक्यते. इज नॉट जस्ट लाइक the arresting of the mighty elephants is not possible by means of a lotus, the most delicate lotus fiber. Similarly, it is not possible to what do you call show, try to tempt. It is not possible to tempt the learned by means of money and other factors. That is, English is okay. Nidarshanam Srinivas. Sandhi Santi Pancha Sandhayah. Mavamsthaha.
Ma plus avamsthaha savanadika.
Avamamsthastrunam. Again the same word is here. Avamamsthaha trunam. Visargas. Lakshmirna.
Lakshmi plus na.
Visargas. Naiva na vruddhi. Tantuvaranam.
Tantu plus varanam.
Tanturvaranam. Sorry, Tanturvaranam. So, Samasa Chatushthayam. Adhigata Paramarthan.
Adhigata Paramarthaha Yaihite Adhigata Paramarthaha Bahuvrihi Samasa Tan Adhigata Paramarthaha.
Adhigataha Paramarthaha. Paramascha Asau Artascha. Paramarthaha. The highest truth. Adhigataha Avagataha. Viditaha. Adhigataha nama viditaha. Known the highest truth. Adhigataha Paramarthaha. Yaihi, by those people. They are called Adhigata Paramarthaha. And such people, Tan. Visatantuhu. Simple.
Visasya Tantuhu
Shashti Tatpurusha. Visasya Tantuhu. Visatantuhu. Tantu Shabda is Ukaranta. Tantuhu. Tantu. Tantava. Kshamyatam. Abhinava Madalekha Shyama Gandasthalanam.
Abhinava Chaiva Madalekha Cha Abhinava Madalekha Karmadharaya Samasara. Abhinava Madalekhaya
Lekhaya. Abhinava Madalekhaya Shyamani.
Shyamani. Abhinava Madalekha Shyamani. Trutiya Tatpurusha.
Oh my God.
Abhinava Madalekha Shyamani Gandhastalani
Yesham te.
Abhinava Madalekha Shyama Gandhastalaha.
Tesham. Abhinava Madalekha Shyama Gandasthalanam. See the analysis. But there is one more way of doing this also. Abhinavacha. What is going? Chaiva Madalekha. Another way of doing Abhinavaha Madaha. Abhinava Madaha. Abhinavaha Madaha. Abhinava Madaha. Tasya Lekha. Abhinava Madasya Lekha. Tabihi Abhinava Madalekha bihi. So that it goes. Shama. Anyway, if meaning is understood, but a very lengthy compound word because of so many factors there. Abhinava means new, fresh. Chaiva Madalekha. Madalekha means the streak of ikar, rut. Lekha means pankti, row of, stream of rut. By the fresh stream of rut, Abhinava Madalekha, Karmada, Abhinava Madalekhaya Trutiya. By the fresh oozing of the rut, Shyamani, black, Abhinava Madalekha Shyamani. Made black, Shyamani means Shyamani Krutani, understood, isn't it? So, blackened by the fresh onset of the rut. This is Trutiya Tatpurusha. Then Abhinava Madalekha Shyamani Gandasthalani Yesham. Those elephants which have who have the temples blackened by the fresh onset of the rut, they Abhinava Madalekha Shyama Gandasthalaha. They are called, they having the temples blackened because of the fresh issue of the rut. Tesham, to them. So such a development is to be understood here. Samasa Samaptaha. Krudanta Eka Eva. Varanam, Vari, Lyut. Varanam, Chandaha, Malini Vruttam. I think Malini is first time coming for us.
Yes,
Nana, Mayaya, Yuteyam, Malini, Bhogalokaihi. So the Gana Vibhajana is given here. Nagana, which is Sarvalagu, you remember? You have to remember for the Chandra Cinema that very simple poem. Adi Madhya Avasaneshu Yarata Yanti Laghavam Bhajasa Gauravam Yanti Manautu Guru Laghavam Manautu Guru Laghavam. This sloka I have written already in the note supplied. If we remember this sloka, then it will be easy for identifying the ganas. Adi Madhya Avasaneshu in the beginning, Madhya in the middle, Avasaneshu at the end. Adi Madhya Avasaneshu Yarata Yanti Lagavam. Yagana is Adi Lagu. Ragana is Madhya Lagu. Tagana is Antya Lagu. Avasana Lagu. So whatever is coming Lagu in the first, that is called Yagana. That means one Lagu, two Gurus. Yagana. And Guru Lagu, Guru is Ragana. Guru Lagu is Tagana, Srinivas. That is how. Then Bhajasa. Bhajasa Gauravam Yanti. This Karika says Bhajasa. Bhagana Gauravam means first Guru, Lagu is Bhagana. Jagana is Lagu Guru, again Lagu, that is Jagana. Sagana is Antya Guru, Lagu Guru. So Manautu, Magana and Nagana are Guru Lagavam. That is what is here, Srinivas. Nagana is Sarvalagu, Magana is Sarva Guru. But in this book, Guru is given S mark like the Avagra. Mostly we give it straight. Some books give straight line, which I have already indicated, and some give it as a curved, like crescent moon, Guru. So we are entering into Kosha. Trunam, Shashpam,
Alatrunam, Ghasam, Yavasam, Trunam
Arjunam. It, for a split second, I read this, it looked, this word Amarakosha looked to me as America. See that word? Amarakosha. Sometimes it appears like that. Trunam. Trunyate. Trunu adane. There is a trunu dhatu, Srinivas. Adane, eating. Trunyate iti trunam. Trunoti, trunute. Several other things are there, but I like this. Trunu adane, trunyate. What is eaten? Not notes I have not. I could not. I will give it later. Oh, before that is uploaded. Just to show it, and then we will not read it. Let them see it.
Page number 112.
112. Yeah, the last time I could not supply this note. I just read out. Please look into this 112 page of the previous lesson. Gocharaha Rupam. Then we have Shabdaha. Two interpretations for Shabda. Gandhaha, Rasaha. Rasa also is interpreted two ways. Sparshaha, Indriyarthaha, Anisham, Satatam. Anisham is given two times. Why two times? Nasti Uchcheda Kala Yasmin Nasti. Okay, two times it has come there. Let us. Ashrantam, Santatam, Aviratam, all used in the same sense. Kalpaha, Kalpayataha Stitim Pralayam Cha. Krutatreta Dvaparakali Sahasya Krutvaha Kalaha Kalpaha. Kalpate Prabhavati Jagannashaya iti Kalpaha. Enables a total destruction of the world. Krup, Klrup, Samarthye, that is it. Samvartaha, explained already. Just look. Pralaya, Praliyate, Jagadatra. Ling, Sleshane. And Li is also there. So this is the note which we could not show it in the last class. Now the present note will be shown in the next class. So Trunam is explained as Srinivas. Trunu adane bhakshane. Okay. So Trunyati, what is eaten? Truna is after all food for the animals. Like we have studied one Subhashita, if you remember, Trunamna bhakshan jivamana paramam bhagadeyam tat pashunam. We have already done, na? Remember? The previous sloka. Trunam. What was the sloka, Srinivas? Trunam na khadan jivamanaha. Oh, it came long back. It is sloka number 12, Srinivas, page 83. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihinas Sakshat Pashuhu Puchha Vishana Hina. That 83. Anyway, it is there. Trunamna Khadannapi Jivamanas Tad Bhagadeyam Param Pashunam. So, Pashavaha Trunam Khadantaha Jivanti. Anyway, you have to assemble it. 83 page it is there, that poem. 12th poem, what we studied. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihina, etc. So, Trunam is Trunu Adane. So, Trunyate, what is eaten. Like the same thing, Srinivas, Annam is also interpreted in Upanishad. And I think Taittiriya or somewhere. Adyate, Ada, Bhakshane, Ada, Adane, Atti, Attaha, Adanti, Atsi, Attaha, Atta, Admi, Advaha, Aham, Annam, Admi, Ada Dhatu, Ada to eat, Admi. So in the passive Adyati, Atticha, Bhutani, Tasmadannam Taduchyati. So Annam is wonderfully explained in the Upanishad, that which is eaten and which eats you also. So anything that is eaten, so Trunam. But this is only with regard to, of course, Balatrunam. Then next one is Shashpam, sorry. Trunam Shashpam. Shashpam is there. Shasyate, Shasyativa, Shasyate, Shasyativa, Shasu Himsayam. But I would take the other meaning, Shasu Soshani, drying up. So, grass is dried food. But what Himsayam, I don't know. In Shasu Himsayam is also there. Shasa Soshani. That looks better. Sashyati. So what is dried? Balatrunam. Balam Trunam, nothing more here. Balam means young grass. Young grass, what not young? Fresh grass, sorry. Balam is fresh here. Or young grass, whatever it is. That is Balatrunam. Ghasam. Ghasyate, again Srinivas. Ghasa, there is a dhatu, ghasa, bhuadigana, ghasati, which means to eat. Ghasati, ghasyate iti ghasa. Same like the above one we have seen just now. Then Srinivas, what is there? After ghasa, yavasam. So you heard it. Ghasyate iti ghasaha. What is eaten again? Ghasa, to eat. Then yavasam. Yauti yuyateva. Yauti yuyateva. Yu mishrane amishrane cha. To join, to separate. This comes in Adadigana Srinivas. Second class. Yauti. Yuyateva. Yuyate is passive. Yauti yuyateva. Yu mishrane amishrane. To join and to separate. In that sense we use this. So you get Yavasam Shabda. And finally, Trunam already done. Arjunam, Srinivas.
Yes, sir. Trunam Arjuna.
Trunam is done already. Trunyate iti Trunam. Arjunam. Arja dhatu is there. Arjane, to procure, to get it. No, Truna is gathered by people for feeding the animals. Maybe in that sense this is used. Arjyate iti Arjunam. And there is one saying, Napumsakam trune netra roge syad Arjuni gavi. This Arjuna Shabda is also used in Napumsaka in the Truna Artha. Napumsake trune netra roge. There is also a disease. A disease is called Arjuna. Netra roga, that is conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis. So Napunsakam trune netra roge syad Arjuni gavi. So in also cow is also referred. Maybe sometimes Arjuna has a meaning of white color. Arjuna. White color also there, but here we are not taking the color into account. So these are the meanings of Trunam, Srinivas. Trunam, Shashpam, Balatrunam, Ghasam, Yavasam, Arjunam. Trunam Arjunam. No, Truna is given, again it is given. So that is. We go to Lakshmi Shabda here. Lakshmi. I think the English luck seems to be a kind of a word coming from this Lakshmi, luck. What we say in English, luck. Lakiti Shabdaha Samskritataha Agatah iti manyeham. It looks so, I don't know. Srinivas, Lakshyate Sarvo Anaya iti. Lakshyate Sarvaha Anaya iti. Sarvaha Anaya Lakshyate. Everything is seen by this. That is Lakshmi. Laksha Darshanaankanayoho. Srinivasa, that is it. So you can understand the meaning Lakshmi. Lakshyate Sarvo Sarvaha Anaya iti. Everything is observed through this. You have money, you have anything at your disposal. So everything is possible to see only through money. If you have money, you can have several experimentations, several things. So Lakshyate Sarvo, everything is, or everybody, you can see anything and everybody with by means of money. That is how this word is interpreted, Lakshmi. So Lakshas Darshanaankanayo. Then what is coming?
Padmalaya.
Padmalaya. Padmalayo yasyaha sa. Padmam, it is like this. Padmam alayaha yasyaha sa. That lady whose home is lotus. Lakshmi is born on lotus. We see that is how it is, Padmalaya. Padmam alayaha yasyaha sa. That goddess Lakshmi whose residence is lotus. Lotus seated. What do we say? Lakshmi is lotus seated. Then we have Padma. Padmam asyaha kare asti iti. This is interpreted like this. Padmam asyaha kare asti iti. Lotus is there in her hand. Therefore she is called Padma. Then we have Kamala. Kamyata, kamyate iti. That which shines. Kamayate iti lat. Kam kantau. There is a dhatu called Kama kantau, to shine, Srinivas. So Kamala, because she shines. You know, what shines? Money shines. And a man who possesses money also shines. So it is interpreted as Kamala. Kamyata iti. Kamayati iti lat lakare. Kamakantau. So that is how Kamala is interpreted. Then Shrihi.
Priya.
Shrihi and Haripriya both are different. Shrihi. Shriyate sarvairiti. It is resorted to by all people. Everyone wants money. So Shrihi. How is it interpreted? Shriyate, Ashriyate, Sarvaihi iti. Because it is resorted to by all people, it is called Shrihi. Shri, there is Dhatu, Shri, Sevayam, Srinivas, Shrayati, etc. You have this word Shrita Kamala, Shrita. Pada Padma, we have several stotas, Shrita, that Tanta, Srinivas, Tantam, Shri, Kta, Shrita. So that is Shrayati, then Haripriya. Shrayati Harimiti, one who takes refuge in Vishnu. So therefore she is called Haripriya. Srinivas. Shrayata, Shrayati, Harimiti, Haripriya, Harehe Priya. Shri Haripriya. So Hari is always resorted to by Lakshmi Devi. Shrayati Harimiti, Harehe Priya, Haripriya. That is how it is. Then we come down, Srinivas.
Yes.
Madaha.
Madhu, Danam.
There are only, I think, two words only here. Madaha, Danam. Madhyati Anena. Madi Harshe. Madhyati, to get, to be glad, Srinivas. Harsha Glepanayoho. Mada dhatu. Harsha Glepanayoho. To be glad, to be in a pitiable condition, etc. So let us take Harsha Glepana, Harsha Artha here. Madhyati Anena. When you have this Mada, what does Mada do? Mada exhilarates you. It is an exhilarator and it is a gladdening factor for those who take it. So Madhyate Anena. Madhyati. This is fourth class, Srinivas. Madhyati, Madhyataha, Madhyanti. From which you get Matta, Tanta, Srinivas. Mada, Matta. Mada becomes Matta in past passive participle. Matta. Matta means intoxicated. Matta Gaja, like we are saying, Matta Gaja. From Mada Dhatu only you get Matta. So Madhyate Anena. So one is gladdened. You can also understand in the case of the boozers who booze and become very happy, Srinivas. That is also Mada, isn't it? Intoxication. What we call intoxication is that. Then Danam, Srinivas. Gajamade Tyage Palana Cheda Shuddhishu iti Vishwamedini. So Gajamade Tyage. So it is called Gajamade Tyage means Danam is that which comes out of the Gajamada, which is Gajamada only. The Mada means, Rat. I told you, it comes from the temple area, they say. So Gajamade Tyage Palana Cheda Shuddhishu. So what comes out of the elephant is also called Danam. Dve Madapatanasya. So these two words are used for the oozing of the Mada or Rat in the case of the elephants. Understand?
Yes.
Dve, ete dve pade Mada Patanasya Suchake. These are the indicators of the oozing of the Rat, especially Visheshataha Gajanam Vishahi. Mada Patanasya Suchake. So that is done. Then we move to another Shabda, Gandaha. With two Kataha. Gandati. Gandatu Gadi Vadanaika Deshe. A part of a face is called Ganda. Srinivas. Ganda is cheek. Ganda is cheek. So Gadi Vadana ekadeshe, a part of the vadana. It is a part of the face. Therefore, it is called ganda. Ganda pradesha means the cheek. So ganda to affect etc. To affect the cheek also it means gandati etc. Dhatu is also there. This is bhuadi gana. Gandati, gandataha, gandanti. Then we move to kataha, katati, kantati. Both are there. Kata kanta, which means to go. Kata kanta, to go. Kati, varshavaranayoho, to rain, to cover, to screen, etc. And also it means the temples of the elephant. Srinivas, kata means the temple of the elephant especially. So in this way, ganda and kata both referring to the cheek and temples of the elephant. Next we have one more. Varana, last one. Varayati shatrubalam iti. Varana means gajaha. Varana means gajaha. Varayati shatrubalam. You know, in ancient warfare, elephants were used. Elephants were used by the kings, and therefore this interpretation seems valid there. Varayati shatrubalam. It prevents the forces of the enemy, Srinivas. Understand? That is why it is called Varanaha. What a nice interpretation. Varayati shatrubalam iti Varanaha. Matangajaha. Next. Nagaha, Kunjaro, Varano, Kari. Varana is already correct. So Matangajo, Gajo Naga, Kunjaro, Varano, Kari. So Varana, you have understood, na? Varayati Shatrubalam, which prevents the enemy's forces. Matangajaha, Matangad, Rusher Jataha. There is a sage, epic sage, Matanga Maharshi. So this elephant is come from Matangad Rushehe Jataha. I could not trace the story there, Srinivas. Matangat Rushehe Jataha. Born from the Matanga Rushi. So it is called Matangajaha. Gajaha. Next is Gajahana. Gajati, Gaja Madane. Gaja means Madane. Shabde, Made, to roar and to be drunk. You know, elephants make a big sound. So Gaja, Shabde, Madecha. So Gajati iti Gajaha, that which roars or which gets drunk, intoxicated, is called Gaja. Then we move to Nagaha. Na agaha, nagaha. Srinivas. Na agaha. Agaha means mountain or a tree or a snake. Agaha. Na agaha, nagaha. Agaja. Agaja is Parvata. Agaja. Na agaha, nagaha. Nage Parvate Bhavova. So Parvata, but what to understand? Na agaha, nagaha. That which moves otherwise. Na agaha, it is not a mountain, it is not a static thing. Understand? How do you understand this? Na agaha. It is not a mountain, it is not a tree to stand still like a post. It is not na agaha, na agaha. It is a moving thing. Therefore it is gaja. Far-fetched interpretations these are all. Sometimes. We move to Kunjara, Srinivas. Atishayitaha Kunjo Hanuhu Asya. It has a very exceeding cheek. Elephant. Atishayita, exceeding. Kunja. Kunja means elephant's jaw. Jaw or tusk. It means both. Either tusk, danta, or the jaw. So elephant has an exceeding jaw, unlike other animals, therefore it is called Kunjaraha. Then finally, Kari. No, Varana is explained now. Kari. Very simple. करः अस्य अस्ति इति. This has the trunk. Karah means trunk. Karo asya asti iti kari. Karin, ini. Then karin it becomes kari. Kari, karinau, karinaha. So these are the interpretations as found in our Amarakosha for these words Trunam, Lakshmi, Mada, Ganda and Varana. We move on with it. द्वितीय बहुवचन विषय. इट्स ओके. अवधि अभ्यासः करणीयः इदानीं. सो श्लोकस्य पदच्छेदम्.
अधिगत परमार्थान् पंडितान् न अवमंस्थाः तृणमिव लघुलक्ष्मीः न एव तान् संगृह्णन्ति अभिनवमदलेखाश्याम गण्डस्थलानां न भवति
विसतन्तुः वारणं वारणानाम्. यथा निर्देशं श्लोकात् पदानि संकलयत. पुंलिंग द्वितीया बहुवचन पदानि. I think 3. It says 3. Sorry, adhigata paramarthan 1, panditan dvitiya. Okay, dvitiya. Next comes, I think, tan somewhere. Sarvanama Shabda. Second line, tan samrunaddi. Yeah. So, atra त्रीणि पदानि तत्र सन्ति. पुंलिंगे द्वितीया बहुवचन पदानि. अधिगत परमार्थान् इति एकं, पंडितान् द्वितीयं, तान् इति तृतीयम्. अनन्तरम् अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा एकवचन पदानि त्रीणि. अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा एकवचन. या तृणं लघु. No, लघु न. लघु नहीं. लघु is ukaranta, Srinivas. Then Trunam, Varanam, Akaranta Napumsakalinga. Varanam. And Akaranta Napumsakalinga. What is one more? No, nothing. 2 only.
Yeah.
It is wrong to say 3 because otherwise you have to take Lagu, which is Ukaranta. Third point says Akaranta Pullinga Shashti Bahuvachana. That is the third line, Srinivas. No, third line. Abhinava Madaleka Shama Gandasthalanam iti ekam padam. Bisat Varananam is dvitiyam. Only 2. But again, why is he giving 3? Confusing the students. Huh? Only 2 are there. Abhinava, the third line, complete third line, and the last word, Varananam. Then what is Kriya Padani? Okay. Avamamstha. Samrunadhi iti dvitiyam. Bhavati. In the last line you have Bhavati. Trini Kriya Padani. Avamamstha samrunadhi bhavati. Trutiyamshaha vigrahavakyani. अधिगत परमार्थान. अधिगतः परमार्थः यैः ते अधिगत परमार्थाः तान् इति. That you can look up. Visatantuhu, very simple. Visasya tantuhu, visatantuhu. Abhinava madaleka shama gandasthalanam. So he has given a lot of space here. As I have said, yeah, Abhinavacha Eva Madaleka or Abhinava cha Madaha. That interpretation. Okay, you follow the book. Abhinava cha Eva Madaleka cha Abhinava Madaleka, etc. That they can work out. Chaturtamshaha. Vigrahavakyam likat. Again Vigrahavakya. Adhigata Paramartaha. Adhigataha Paramartaha Yehi te. So te means those people. Yehi by whom Paramartaha, the highest truth, Adhigataha is understood. So, like Urdu, you come from left to right to understand perfectly in English. Te means those people. Yaihi, by whom. Paramarthaha, the highest truth. Adhigataha, avagataha is understood. Similarly, avagata vishayarthaha. Avagataha vishayarthaha yaihi te. Avagata vishaya. Oh, no. Why it is giving in paramarthaha? Adhigata paramarthaha it should be. First one is a mistake. Paramarthaha if it is. The second one, avagata vishayarthaha, if it is singular, okay. But your Vigravakya should change. Saha, yena, avagataha, vishayarthaha. I am coming from Saha, yena, vishayarthaha, avagataha. That. If it is plural, te, yaihi, vishayarthaha, avagataha. Choice is yours. Then one more. Anugata shabdartha, following the shabdartha. Similarly, saha yena shabdartha anugataha sandhim krutva namalikat ma avamamstha savana dirasandhi ma avamamstha done already. Lakshmirna visarga sandhi lakshmirna न प्लस एव वृद्धि संधि नैव षष्ठांशः श्लोक आधारेण रिक्तस्थान मावमंस्थाः. व्हाट इज प्रीसीडिंग दिस?
अधिगत परमार्थान् पंडितान्.
मावमंस्थाः अधिगत परमार्थान् पंडितान् मावमंस्थाः. देन सेकंड वन तान्. Again it is coming. Tan adhigata paramarthan panditan
Trunamiva lagu lakshmi naiva
samrunanti. Third one, Lakshmi naiva samrunanti. It is overlapping actually. What is coming in the first is also coming in the second. What is coming in the second is coming in the third. So you take off from that. Lakshmi naiva samrunaddi. So okay. Shashtamshaha samapta saptamamshaha samichinam asamichinam. Varananam visatantuhu varanam bhavati asamichinam. Lakshmi tan samrunaddi asamichinam. Panditan ma avamamsthaha samichinam. Panditaha adhigata paramarthaha bhavanti samichinam. So first two are asamichina, next two are samichinam. Two wrongs, two rights. Ashtamaha amshaha kostakastebhya padebhya uchitam chitva. Okay, pick up the correct form from the given there. Panditan Lakshmihi naiva samrunaddi. Varananam dash varanam na bhavati. Visatantuhu. You can do now because you have studied that. Adhigata paramarthan dash mavamamstha. Vanaran vrukshan vanaran panditan. Visheshanani likata. Trunam. What is the visheshana for truna here in the sloka? Kim visheshana padamasti? Truna shabdasya. No. नैव तृण इति विशेष्य पदस्य विशेषण पदम किमस्ति श्लोके? लघु श्रीनिवासः. तृणमिव लघु द्वितीय पंक्तौ लघु इति विशेषण पदमस्ति. तृण शब्दः अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग शब्दः. लघु शब्दः विशेषण शब्दः अस्ति. पुल्लिंगे भवति, स्त्रीलिंगे भवति, नपुंसके भी भवति. नपुंसके लघु इति भवति. लघु पुस्तकम. लघुः बालकः. इफ से लघुः वृक्षकः वृक्षः. लघ्वी समस्या स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम. लघ्वी बालिका स्मॉल गर्ल. सो लघु इति विशेषणपदं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु तत्र प्रयोक्तुं शक्यते. पंडितान् इति शब्दस्य विशेषणपदं किम्? अधिगत परमार्थः. अधिगत परमार्थः. पुनः विशेषपदमस्ति वारणानां गजानां. किं विशेषणपदम्? वारणानाम् इति विशेष्यपदस्य विशेषणम् अभिनव. तत् श्रीनिवास अभिनवमदलेकाश्यामगण्डस्थलानां वारणानां. तत् सर्वं तत् दीर्घं पदम् अत्र विशेषणपदत्वेन योज्यं. नेक्स्ट दशमांशः श्रीनिवास श्लोकस्य अन्वयं लिखत. वेयर इज अन्वय? ऑन पेज 117. परमार्थान् पंडितान्
लक्ष्मीः लघुतृणम् इव तान् न एव समृणद्धि विसतन्तुः अभिनवमदलेखश्यामगण्डस्थलानां वारणानां वारणं न भवति.
एकादशमः अंशः मालिनी वृत्ति अन्यमेकं ज्ञातपूर्वं श्लोकं लिखत. अन्यः श्लोकः तत्र भर्तृहरि सुभाषिते एव अस्ति, परन्तु अस्माकम् अस्मिन् पुस्तके 50 श्लोकाः एव स्वीकृताः. 50 poems have been taken here, पूर्वार्ध, and remaining 50 are not coming in the next edition. पूर्वार्ध उत्तरार्ध. सो उत्तरार्धे तत्र उत्तरभागे कश्चन श्लोकः वर्तते मालिनी वृत्ते. मनसि वचसि काये, मनसि वचसि काये पुण्य पीयूषपूर्णाः, पुण्य पीयूषपूर्णाः त्रिभुवनम् उपकार श्रेणिभिः, त्रिभुवनम् उपकार श्रेणिभिः प्रीणयन्तः परगुण परमाणून् पर्वतीकृत्य. परगुण परेषां गुणान् परगुण परमाणून् पर्वतीकृत्य नित्यं निज हृदि विकसन्तः सन्ति सन्तः कियन्तः, सन्ति सन्तः कियन्तः. लुक एट द वे he has used this. This is a beautiful poem in Malini Vrutta. मनसि वचसि काये पुण्य पीयूष पूर्णाः त्रिभुवनम् उपकार श्रेणिभिः, त्रिभुवनम् उपकार श्रेणिभिः प्रीणयन्तः परगुण परमाणून् पर्वतीकृत्य निज हृदि विकसन्तः सन्ति सन्तः कियन्तः. Look at the last word, santi santah kiyantah. How many virtuous people are there in this world who can magnify the good of others into mountain, who can make a, like we say, make a mountain of a mole, who can magnify small good qualities of others into mountains. Paraguna Paramanun Parvati Krutya. We have this usage, na? Making a mountain out of a mole, magnifying them. Santi Santaha Kiyantaha. Kiyantaha Santi means how many such virtuous people are there in this world who rejoice at the good of the others, and who are by nature manasi in their thought, vachasi in their words, kaye in physic in their body, sharire, punya piyusha purnaha. They are full of nectar, amruta. They have amruta in their mind, amruta when they talk, and that is physically, mentally, verbally. They are very few people are there who are full of nectar of holiness in thought, word and deed. In thought, word and deed. Tribhuvanam upakara srinivi, and they do good to all the people. Tribhuvana is given. Tribhuvanam upakara srenivihi. They go on doing good after good, good after good. And they go on pleasing also the people. Prinayantaha, pleasing. They also please the entire, all the people of the three worlds by their qualities, and they also magnify whatever good they find in others. Paraguna paramanun parvati krutya nityam nijahrudi vikasantaha santi santaha kiyantaha. Santi santaha kiyantaha santaha santi. If you put that order, kiyantaha means how much? Kiyan, kiyantau, kiyantaha. San, santau, santaha. Asti, staha, santi. Kiyantaha, santaha, santi. I will write this poem in the next class. Shubham Bhuya.